Why'd you change your naming conventions to the C style? Consistency. That way I don't have to remember whether or not, like if it's a function, if it's a function like void, this is a function. Like this is something that Casey Muraturi does. He'll do, I can't remember the name of the style, but he'll do like capital letter first for function names. He'll do it also for any structs that he defines, type, and then whenever he makes an instance of that way that's defined like that. Or does he do it the other way, where like this is type? See, I can't even remember. Like I'm trying to remember how Casey does it, and I can't. The reason I do it the way that I do is because I don't ever have to remember that. Everything's under lowercase, and I use underscores. Just those two. That's it. No, camel case is whenever you do lower class, right? Or lowercase, and then you do uppercase, right? Yeah, Pascal case. That's what it is. Thank you. So that's why I do C, and that's why I do the way it looks, is because you can go through every single line of my code. It's gonna look the same, and I don't have to sit here and try to remember. Which, if you guys have, I don't know how old you guys or you've been in industry, but one of the things I hate the most about working in software, it makes me want to quit almost every day, are code reviews, because none of them ever have to do anything with how the code actually freaking runs. It never has to do with performance. It never has to do with is it actually feature complete? Does it hit the standards that you were supposed to, given the requirements? Every single time, it's some manager that looks at your code and says you're not coding with these particular style standards. I can't stand it. So I don't ever have to worry about that in my own stuff. The last thing I want to worry about is, did I do this to some arbitrary, ridiculous coding standard that has nothing to do with engineering? What I want to do is I want to actually work on a problem. That's it. So I keep it as simple as possible, and I go from there. And that's my rant for the day. before I actually go to work and look at coding standards. So yeah, that's my 2 cents on why I use C in a nutshell.